Hello everyone. So in this part we are going to discuss about the diagram for perfectly elastic and perfectly inelastic and also unitary elastic, and also what are the ranges of value for perfectly elastic demand curve, perfectly inelastic and unitary elastic. See, perfectly inelastic demand curve will be a vertical demand curve. So there will be a different level of prices, but the quantity remains same. There will be a different level of prices, quantity remaining same. So example, this one. So as you know that PED formula, PED equal to percentage change in quantity demanded upon percentage change in price, right? So in this case, PED equal to percentage change in quantity demanded is 0. Like the quantity demanded is remaining same, different level of price. So this will be like automatically 0, and this portion, like a percentage change in price, definitely it will be a positive or negative. So if it decreases, it will come negative. If it is increases, it will come in a positive. So simple way, 0 by anything equal to 0. So PED value, if it is 0, then that is perfectly inelastic. Okay, and meanwhile this one is perfectly in elastic demand curve. So the price level is same, but the quantity demanded is different. So this one is like a PED equal to, again you know this basic formula, percentage change in quantity demanded upon percentage change in price. Okay, so here percentage change in quantity demanded may be positive or negative. Percentage change in quantity demanded may be positive or negative, because if it decreases it will come negative, and if it is increases it will come a positive. Meanwhile, percentage change in price is 0. So anything by 0 equal to, that will be an infinitive. So PED value, if it is infinitive, then it is said to be a perfectly elastic demand curve. And if the PED value equal to 1, so then it is said to be a unitary elastic demand curve. There the percentage change in quantity demanded equal to the percentage change in price. Percentage change in quantity demanded equal to the percentage change in price. And further, upper portion of the demand curve, this portion of the demand curve will be a elastic portion, elastic demand curve, and elastic demand portion, and lower portion of the demand curve it is said to be a inelastic, and this price level is said to be a perfectly elastic here, and meanwhile this portion is said to be a perfectly inelastic. Okay, in the single diagram you can show that in the midpoint, that is unitary elastic. In the upper portion, this portion it is said to be a elastic demand curve, and this portion it is said to be a perfectly elastic. Similarly, lower portion it is said to be a inelastic demand curve, and the PED value will be lower than 1 and greater than 0. So this will be a small error. And here this portion is said to be a perfectly inelastic. That's it in the diagrams for the PED, like a relatively elastic, relatively inelastic, and perfectly elastic, perfectly inelastic, and unitary elastic. In the single diagram itself we can show the ranges of PED. Alright, thank you.